Welcome to Understanding Your Owner Financial Statement. Thank you for being a valued TMG investor. We know that financials are one of the most important aspects of owning an investment property. Today, we will provide some key knowledge that will assist your understanding and analysis of the financial statements. Let's start by walking through the financial timeline. At the beginning of each month, you will receive notification that your financial reports for the prior month's activity are ready for your review. These reports will contain a summary of the activity that happened in the previous month. Payments happening during the current month will appear in the financial reports for the following month. Tenants on TMG leases pay their rent, management fees are collected, and owner funds are typically released within 24 to 48 hours of TMG receiving the rent payment. The link provided to view your owner financial packet is sent directly to your email. You can click on the link or access your portal through our website. To view your portal, simply log in to our website at tmgnorthwest.com/owner-portal and click on Statements. You can view or download your packet for any month you choose. If you do not have access to your owner portal, please let us know. Your financial packet typically consists of an owner statement and a cash flow statement. Let's look at the elements of an owner statement. The first report is the property cash summary. It consists of the beginning balance, which is the total cash on hand at the beginning of the month. Cash in, meaning the total receipts from the period including owner contributions. Cash out, money paid out during the month for items like management fees, maintenance bills, association dues, and insurance. Owner disbursements are payments made to you. The ending cash balance is the cash on hand at the end of the month. Unpaid bills are any outstanding invoices that have not been paid. Property reserve is the minimum cash balance required in your account. This amount is set by your management agreement. Work order estimates are funds held for work requested but not yet complete or billed. And finally, net owner funds are available funds that can be paid to the owner. The transaction detail shows the full detail of all activity throughout the month. It includes rent payments, bills that are paid, owner distributions, and details of any other activity that happens during the month, like a new tenant moving in. These may include multiple deposits from the same tenant. The receipt and transaction detail will show here for each payment. The management fee may be calculated in one transaction, or it may be divided into the minimum monthly charge and the balance charged when your tenant pays their rent. This would happen when a tenant pays rent later than normal. The minimum management fee is stated in your management agreement. When a tenant moves out, you will be able to see all the detail of turnover costs and the refund of the security deposit to the tenant. The ending cash balance is a total of your property reserve, plus funds to cover unpaid bills and estimates from work not yet completed. The cash flow statement is an expanded view of the property cash summary from the owner statement with additional information such as the total operating income and the net operating income for both the previous month and year to date. These are further broken down into specific expense and income categories, management fees, and any other recurring charges listed in your contract. A few additional items to note. Expenses do not appear on the cash flow until they are paid. Pet rent shows $25 collected. In the third column, you can see that $144 has been collected for pet rent in the fiscal year to date. Prepaid rent does not get paid out to the owner until it is applied to rent. In the following month, it will be reflected in the rent income amount. If you own more than one property, you will receive a consolidated summary. This will be the first report in your financial packet and is a combined view of the activity at all your properties. It covers the same metrics as the property cash summary: beginning balance, cash in, cash out, owner disbursements, ending cash balance, unpaid bills, property reserve, work order estimates, and the net owner funds. This report is a great place to see the financial position for your whole portfolio. Why doesn't my distribution match the statements? Your proceeds are from current month income. Your statement is prior month activity. Your statement may indicate amounts that were withheld from the current month payment, like unpaid bills or work order estimates. What is an estimate on my statement? An amount that appears as an estimate reflects funds held for work requested but not complete or billed. For example, this might be a repair on your property that has been requested but not yet completed. Once the work is billed, an invoice is created. Once the invoice is paid, an expense appears on your statements. Will I be notified of all repair expenses? You will be notified if an expense is going to exceed the amount pre-established in your management agreement requiring authorization. What are the standard fees in the management agreement? There are fees in your contract that cover acquiring new tenants, renewal of your contract each year, etc. Please refer to your contract or contact your property manager for further details. Why are there 2 management fees listed on my owner's statement? The minimum management fee is charged at the beginning of the month, and the balance is charged when the tenant pays their rent. We hope this information about your owner financial packet has been helpful. If you ever have any additional questions regarding your financials, tenants, or your investment property, please make sure to contact us.